everyone, and welcome back to Achieve, the podcast that helps you grow your English and your confidence. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
And I'm Jason. Today we're talking about a true legend in the world of esports, Faker from T1. Even if you don't play games, you might have heard of him. He's known as the unkillable Demon King. Sounds powerful, doesn't it?
It really does. But here's something surprising. Behind that strong title, Faker is actually very calm, quiet, and humble. That's the big contrast we'll talk about today. The difference between his game image and his real-life personality.
Exactly. On stage, he looks strong, serious, and full of energy. But offstage, he enjoys quiet things, reading books, taking walks, and eating his favorite Korean dishes. He's polite, soft-spoken, and never acts like a superstar.
And that's what makes him so special. Fans love him not only for his amazing skills, but also for his attitude. He never shows off, never complains, and always gives credit to his teammates.
Speaking of teammates, this year in 2025, T1 made history again. They won the League of Legends World Championship for the 6th time.
6 world titles. That's unbelievable. Their teamwork this year was amazing, and Faker once again led the team with calm and wisdom. He proved that experience and teamwork can shine even more than pure talent.
And here's something incredible. After their big win, T1 took home a prize of over $2.5 million. That's a huge reward for their years of training and teamwork.
Wow. But you know what touched me the most? Even after winning such a big prize, Faker didn't celebrate too wildly. He just thanked his teammates, his fans, and his coaches, just like always.
That's the real power of character. Even after more than 10 years in competition, he stays humble. When reporters asked about his secret, he said, "Keep learning and enjoy the process."
That's such a great reminder for all of us. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep going, one step at a time.
Yes, and Faker once said something truly beautiful. "I don't want to be remembered only for winning. I want to be remembered as someone who never gave up." That shows his heart, calm, brave, and full of passion.
And that's also the reason T1 is so strong as a team. They believe in discipline, respect, and teamwork, and they never forget to enjoy what they do.
You can really feel it when they play. Their strategy is smart, their teamwork smooth, and their focus steady even under pressure. That's what makes them champions.
So whether you're learning English or chasing your dream, you can learn from Faker and T1. Stay humble, stay focused, and never stop improving.
Learning English is a lot like playing a long game. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but every step helps you grow stronger.
And remember, even Faker started as a quiet teenager with a dream. Now he's a world legend, but he's still kind, curious, and humble.
That's why people around the world respect him so much. He shows that you can be both strong and gentle, both competitive and kind.
So before we finish, congratulations again to T1 and Faker for their 6th world title and that amazing $2.5 million prize.
Absolutely. And to everyone listening, remember Faker's way. Stay calm, work hard, and keep enjoying your own game, whatever it is.
Thank you for tuning in to Achieve. We hope this story inspires you to keep learning and to never give up.
See you next time, everyone. Keep learning, keep achieving.
Bye for now.